This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out, see what I'm thinking, see me analyzing that data. Like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. It really gives a false narrative of the market, so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, MULN has made a strategic decision to withdraw their naked shorting lawsuit in the Southern District Federal Court in New York. Okay? They allege that they have found evidence of 2 years of spoofing of billions with a B, of MULN shares in order to illegally manipulate the price. And here's the thing. Their attorney said that he couldn't find one case where the companies were successful in a naked shorting case, but they said spoofing cases are a lot easier to prove because the evidence of the spoofing will be overwhelming. Now, does this make sense to me? Yes, because everybody has to allocate their resources. And when you allocate your resources, you determine how your money is best spent. Even in law enforcement, a lot of people might not know this, but even in law enforcement, you might have a budget, for example, $1 million budget for the quarter. Now, for this $1 million budget, do you go after the guy who's selling knockoff goods on the corner? Do you go after the guy that's selling cigarettes, one hand to hand? Or do you go after the murderers, the robbers, the rapists? When your budget is limited, you're going to go after the crimes that are probably more violent, or the ones that are more politically correct, and hopefully that's not the reason here. But if you have a set budget, you're going to allocate that money where you're going to get the best bang for your buck. And MULN and their attorneys have come to the conclusion that it will be easier to prove a spoofing case because based on what I'm reading, the evidence of the spoofing is overwhelming, and they believe they can prove that case in court a lot easier than they can prove the naked shorting. That is something that I did not know. I did not know that, but maybe in the future, I might have to adjust my future lawsuits with the same type of analysis because the proof of spoofing in AMC, especially against Goldman Sachs, is overwhelming. We see it in the data every single day. So maybe I might put together a spoofing lawsuit. Maybe I might put together a spoofing lawsuit. I just need to investigate it more, do my DD. The DD they say we don't do because all we do is close our eyes and throw darts at the board to determine what stocks to invest in. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that MULN made a good decision by closing the naked shorting lawsuit and opening the spoofing lawsuit because they have more evidence and they believe it'll be easier to prove the spoofing case? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.